I am so excited. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video we're going to be talking about Boxycharm Base and Premium Box for August. They were kind enough to send over this big PR package of some of the goodies that we can expect and do a little sneak peek on that, and hopefully later in the month I can unbox for you guys the regular base box that I receive in PR, as well as hopefully the premium box. So before we get started, as always, quick disclaimer: over here it is a judgment-free, stress-free, and drama-free zone where we always embrace the hot mess, because at the end of the day it is in fact only makeup. And I also want to talk to you guys about some pop-up dates, choices, all of that fun stuff. So stick around. It's been a few days since I have filmed. I will tell you guys, your girl is off, but fortunately, like I said, we just embrace it. So let's just go ahead and jump in. Longest intro ever. I feel like that's what I always do when I haven't filmed in a few days. I'm like, blah, blah, blah. Okay, anywho. So like I said, Boxycharm was kind enough to send over a bunch of goodies of things that we can expect. Now, some of these are base box items, some of these are premium box items, like I said, for the August box. Now, if you guys are new to Boxycharm and you're kind of like, what are you talking about between base and premium, all of that, let me explain real quick before I show you these items. When it comes to Boxycharm base box, that is a $25 plus tax monthly subscription. You will receive at least $125 worth of goodies every single month. You also have a choice to also receive the premium box or get on the wait list to receive the premium box, and that is $35 a month, and you will receive at least $175 worth of goodies. And in both of these boxes you do get to customize one item in the box, and trust me, the August choices for premium and base were absolutely amazing. Now stick with me, because I will be coming back and doing another video talking to you guys about September base, premium, and Luxe box, because the Luxe membership is a quarterly type of membership. It is $49.99, and the months that we have a Luxe box, like for example September, a base box will not be sent to you, because the Luxe box is like the souped up version of the base box. Now in a Luxe box, like I said, $49.99. I'm so off, guys. You do get to customize 2 items in that box. So you'll see items that you would get to choose for the base box if you only had a base box membership, and then you're gonna see Luxe membership choices. If you're still with me, can you do me a ginormous favor and hit the thumbs up button? I would greatly appreciate it. Our house is full, and on top of it, it's been a few days, so I feel like I'm totally off, so judgment free zone. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the first big box I see in here, which I was pretty excited about. Now this was actually a choice for the premium box, again the $35 box for August, and this is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. Now like I said, all of these things that I'm pulling out of the box were sent to me complimentary from Boxycharm, so thank you again, Boxycharm, for sending this my way so I can show you guys these items. Now, a little information about the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. It does have a retail value of $65, and it deeply hydrates and visibly brightens the skin and provides advanced antioxidant support. And I will tell you guys, I have received this in the past, and I did like the texture of it. It was rich and creamy. Now, unfortunately for me, back when I had received it years ago, I had very, very oily skin, so it didn't work out too well for me then. Now I have normal to somewhat dry skin, so I'm thinking it probably could work, but I do know that Haley, my 20-year-old, absolutely loves this, so she will probably, oh my gosh, she might get it. However, look down here, guys. Don't throw your box away. Look, there's like a little spoon, so you can like spoon this out. I did not get that before. How nice is that? So if this happens to come in the box, in your premium box, like the item, which I don't think it will, I don't know, but if it does, don't throw away your box, because there's a little spoon in here. That's awesome. I'll tell you guys, last time I got this in another subscription service, it didn't come in a box, so don't be alarmed if yours doesn't. If you chose this for your premium box and it doesn't come like this, don't be alarmed. Like I said, I received mine years and years ago in a different subscription box, and it came all by itself with no spoon. Okay, so the next item that you did have a choice for the premium, this is the A+ by Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. Now, again, I've not tried this particular one. I did just get like one of the other retinol oils from Sunday Riley, and I really like it. And a little bit of information on this. This has a retail value of $85. Now, like I said, this was an item that you could have... I just bit my tongue. If you come here for professionalism, I'll be happy to disappoint you. Just saying. Anyways, guys, this was one of the choice items for your premium box. $85 retail value. A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum is an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanicals. It's a retinol alternative. Like I always tell you guys, it is always good if you are trying to start an anti-aging type of regimen. Vitamin C and retinol, and of course sunscreen. Those are the biggest things to help fight anti-aging. So anyways, another quick tip that, again, I'll talk about important dates later in the video, but I do want to mention that we have seen some items that we see in our boxes as add-ons later on. So definitely check on your add-ons because you may see these items. This is a Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches. It's a set of cooling depuffing gel patches packed with energizing caffeine and soothing seawater. This has a retail value of $22. And look at this, guys. Like, you get 6 of them in here. I love eye patches. I absolutely love to put these in my skincare fridge or just a regular fridge, whatever. It doesn't have to be one of the fancy schmancy ones. But I love this because these are absolutely wonderful for depuffing. If you have allergies, sinuses, anything, you didn't get a great night's sleep, put these bad boys in your refrigerator, pull them out, put them on, depuff. And I mean, I don't know about you guys, but it makes me feel so bougie. I'm like, Okay, so the next item I'm going to talk about is actually a palette that I know for a fact is going to be in our August base box. Now, this is the Butter London Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. A little information about this palette. It does say it's highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool tone, neutral hues. And it does have a retail value of $28. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, when I saw a picture or sneak peek or something, it was a very, very muted looking palette. Oh, I like it. It trifolds. But as I'm seeing it in person, it's not as muted. I don't know if it'll show. There we go. Maybe, I don't know if I can show you guys. I think it's just hard with that golden background to show. It is not as muted as it looks in the picture. Ooh, these are really creamy and buttery. You know what this kind of reminds me of? It almost reminds me of like one of those Tartelette palettes. Haley had actually gotten me that one year for Mother's Day. It's actually really pretty. It's one of those types of palettes that with the muted colors and the cool tones to it, I think that it would be a really good everyday palette, especially if you like more of a neutral type of look or a cool tone look. Obviously today I played around in some color, and if you're curious about this look, it will be over on my Instagram. So these feel really nice and very creamy, and they definitely have that buttery feel to it, which would make sense. So anyways, I think it's a really pretty palette, and it does have a mirror over here on the sides. So I know this for a fact will be in the base box. There's like 2 different palettes that we may see. It's the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette or this palette by Butter London. Okay, so next, I'm all over the place, but the next item I'm going to be talking about is actually one that, again, was part of the choice items for the premium box. So this item is by Ole Henriksen, which is, I believe, Ole Henriksen, I believe is new to Boxycharm, this brand. I don't think we've seen this in any of our past boxes, but this is a Banana Bright Face Primer, and I'm so excited because this is what I would have chosen. I told you guys that. I was so excited to see this primer. This is like a cult favorite over here on YouTube. Everybody and their mother is talking about this primer. I had not tried it out. I'm super, super excited about this. This is the Vitamin C Powered Illuminating Makeup Primer, which delivers instant radiance while improving and extending makeup wear. It does have a retail value of $38, and if you guys are following me over on Instagram, you will see me create a look using this palette and using some of the products in this box. So this is a full-size product, and like I said, the choices for your premium box was the Sunday Riley A+, the Sunday Riley CEO, or the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. So thank you again, Boxycharm, for sending this box to me because I am so excited. I really can't wait to try this out. So follow me over on Instagram because, like I said, I will be doing a look using some of these products. And then, of course, I believe this is going to be in our base box as well. These are the Milk Kush eyebrow gel fibers. They did send over a couple different shades, so I will pick out my shade, and then you guys will probably see some of the shades in a future giveaway. But this, I went ahead, I'm gonna apply the haze. Oh yeah, that works for mine. Look at that. Now, I don't have a strong brow game, guys. I'll be the first to admit it. I like that it kind of gives like a 3D dimensional effect to my brows because I have thyroid issues, so I have to like draw the whole outer portion of my brow on because, you know, with thyroid issues, a lot of times that's one of the things to go. Thanks, Great Jeans. Anyways, so I really like this, and a little bit of information regarding this Kush Fiber Gel. It does have a retail value of $20. I will tell you guys, there are several shades in here, so make sure your profile is up to date because that is what Boxycharm will be pulling from. Like I said, this has a $20 retail value. It's a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I still have to draw the outer portion of my brows on. That's just something that I have to do. But, you know, to be able to apply it right through here and to give those brows a little bit fuller of a look, I'm down for it. I loved the Milk Kush mascara. I had a lot of success with that mascara, so I'm really happy with this. And like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 different shades that we will see throughout the different variations. Okay, so next things that you are going to see in your base box is by Clarins, and we have 4 of these to swatch. And again, like I said, I will be doing a whole lip swatch over on my Instagram, so please follow me over there. You guys know I'm trying to get the little 10K swipey uppy, like something fierce. It is my 2020 goal, so please go over there and follow me. I will be having some giveaways coming up very soon over on my Instagram as well. Currently there is also a giveaway going on my channel. Stay tuned to the end of the video for more information on that. So let's go ahead and talk about these Clarins Velvet Lip Perfectors. They do have a retail value of $26 each. I will open and swatch each one of these for you guys. These are the best-selling natural lip perfectors. It says go bold with a new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. I love that because that is one thing about matte that I do struggle with. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in order. This is 01. It says Velvet Nude. Look how pretty this is. Oh, so look at this, guys. So it has like a little cushiony type of applicator. I've been swatching all day. I've been playing in my beauty room and just swatching. So you do have to squeeze it. Oh my gosh, it is moussey. It's very light. That's really pretty. Okay, let me go on to the next shade. Well, I'm excited to play with these. 02 Velvet Rosewood. I mean, these are nice. I do like that the tops screw on, so if you do happen to like throw it in your purse or your bag or something like that, you don't have to worry about the lid falling off and making a mess all over your purse. That is really pretty. And ever since getting the OFRA Cosmetics Jen Loves Reviews Metamorphosis lipsticks, I want to mix everything. Like, I feel like I was doing it before, but I feel like now that's just part of my thing. So I feel like mixing just these two, 01 and 02 together would concoct a beautiful shade. Let's go on to 03, which is Velvet Red. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's like a really pretty like brick red. Let's see. Ooh, maybe it's not brick, more it's like a cherry brick red. That's pretty. And let's go with 04 Raspberry. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay. I feel like this would be gorgeous on a deeper skin tone. Or go really light for like a popsicle kiss look. That's pretty. These are really pretty. And like I said, just applying them on my hand, they just feel really lightweight. So definitely when it says moussey feel, definite moussey feel. Now, as far as important dates for August, Boxy Pop-Up is coming on August 10th. This is going to be early access for Premium and Luxe members. Boxy Pop-Up is when you can get a lot of these products and more for up to 80% off. Again, this goes back to what I say about add-ons. This is a great time to go ahead and grow your collection or start thinking about holiday gift giving, all of that, birthday gifts, whatever it may be. As well as August 10th is going to be September base box choice items, and August 13th is when you're going to go ahead and make your choices for the premium box. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Like I said, I will be coming back and doing a whole video talking about the September Boxy Luxe, as well as some of the items we are already going to be seeing in our September boxes. I'm super excited to talk to you guys about it. Some of the items we saw in some of the Boxycharm surveys, and they're coming to light, guys. Anyways, as far as the giveaway goes, there is a giveaway going on for the Alter Ego Artemis palette. If you guys are interested in picking up that palette, if you guys are interested in picking up the Artemis palette by Alter Ego, it is available for $19.80 if you use code HOTMESS. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, as well as there is also a dedicated video, and over on Instagram I did do a look with this palette. It is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, which is $129. I would recommend getting this for $19.80 with code HOTMESS. Anywho, there is a giveaway for this palette and some of the Alter Ego primer. If you guys are interested in entering into that giveaway, check my pinned comment section down below, and you have to go over to that video and enter in over there. The more you comment over on that video with the best way to get a hold of you, etc., the better your chances are, just letting you guys know. So like I said, go over and follow me on Instagram. I will be having a giveaway going up over there very soon. And if you guys have happened to already get your Boxycharm base box or premium box for August, let me know what variation you got. I'm always excited to hear, as well as what items did you choose for your premium box and what did you choose for your base box. Granted, I didn't go over all the choices for the base. I'm a little all over the place. Hopefully I'll have my together for the next video, but you won't know unless you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I made this video longer than ever. You're welcome. Okay guys, I'm hopping off. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.